Hello world explorers, welcome to Travel and Tour, your ultimate guide to the globe's most captivating destinations. Here, we journey off the beaten path, uncovering hidden gems and local favorites to enrich your travel experiences. We're all about diving deep into the culture, history, and unique attractions of each location we visit. So buckle up, pack your curiosity, and let's hit the road together. Today we venture into the heart of Turkey to explore the top 5 things you can do in the stunning region of Mugla. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the dazzling coastal town of Marmaris. A sun-bleached paradise on the Turkish Riviera, Marmaris is a haven for those with an affinity for the sea. A sailing adventure here is more than just a journey. It's an experience that embodies the essence of this coastal town. Imagine yourself on a yacht, the gentle rhythm of the waves beneath you, the sun casting a golden glow on the azure waters. As you glide across the sea, the coastline unfurls itself like a beautiful tapestry, revealing hidden coves and secluded beaches. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of the sea and the distant call of seagulls. This is Marmaris, a sailor's dream come true. The beauty of sailing in Marmaris is the freedom it offers. You can chart your own course, pulling into quiet bays for a refreshing swim or dropping anchor to explore the local marine life. The waters here are crystal clear, offering visibility up to 20 meters, making it an ideal place for diving or snorkeling. And for the avid angler, Marmaris does not disappoint. Fishing is a popular pastime here, with an abundance of sea bream, bass, and mullet. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice, it's a thrill to cast a line and feel the tug of a fish at the end. But sailing in Marmaris is not just about the activities. It's about the tranquility, the sense of being at one with nature. It's about the moments of quiet as you watch the sunset, the sky ablaze with hues of orange and pink. It's about the starry nights, where the only sound is the gentle lapping of the waves against the boat. A sailing journey in Marmaris is an absolute must, offering an unforgettable aquatic adventure. It's the perfect way to experience the charm and beauty of this coastal town, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. So hoist the sails, feel the wind in your hair, and sail away in Marmaris. At number 4, we take a step back in time, visiting the ancient city of Kaunos. As we journey into the heart of Mugla, we find ourselves in the midst of an archaeological wonder. The ancient city of Kaunos, dating back to as early as the 9th century BC, stands as a testament to the civilizations that once flourished here. This once thriving port city holds within its ruins tales of grandeur, resilience, and time's relentless march. The city's ruins, scattered across the landscape, are a silent narrative of its past. As you wander through the remnants of the city, you'll encounter the remains of grand Roman baths, a Byzantine basilica, and an agora, the hub of social and economic activities in ancient times. Each stone, each structure whispers stories of a bygone era. One cannot speak of Kaunos without mentioning its grand amphitheater. This marvel of ancient architecture, built to accommodate thousands of spectators, still stands tall, its acoustics echoing the performances of the past. Imagine the scenes of drama, the roar of the crowd, and the power of performances that once filled this space. But the true uniqueness of Kaunos lies in its tombs. The city is home to a series of remarkable tombs carved directly into the mountainside. These rock-cut tombs, belonging to the Lycian period, are a sight to behold. The tombs, with their elaborate facades, resemble grand houses rather than final resting places, reflecting the Lycians' belief in life after death. As you stand before these tombs, high up on the cliffs, with the river Dalyan meandering below, it's easy to feel a sense of awe. The sheer scale and craftsmanship that went into creating these tombs are a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Lycians. Kaunos is more than just a historical site. It's a place where history is not just observed but lived and felt. It's where the past and present coexist, where every ruin, every stone has a story to tell. A journey to Kaunos is a journey through history, a chance to walk in the footsteps of ancient civilizations. Our number 3 takes us to Oludeniz, home to the world-renowned Blue Lagoon. Imagine a place where the azure sky meets the turquoise sea, where stunning mountain ranges cast their shadows over calm, warm waters. This is Oludeniz's Blue Lagoon, a tranquil haven that offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This idyllic location is a spectacle of nature's beauty. It's as if the world slows down here, and all that matters is the soft sound of the lapping waves, the gentle rustle of the trees, and the feeling of the sun's rays caressing your skin. The Blue Lagoon is more than just a picturesque setting. It's an experience, a state of mind, a sanctuary of tranquility where you can truly unwind. The balmy waters of the Blue Lagoon are famous for their warmth and clarity, making it a favorite destination for swimmers and snorkelers alike. The surrounding sandy beaches are perfect for those seeking solace in the sun, a good book, or perhaps a refreshing drink in hand. But the Blue Lagoon isn't just about relaxation. If you're looking for a dash of excitement, why not try paragliding? With the wind in your hair and the breathtaking panorama below, it's an experience that combines thrill with serenity. The panoramic views of the lagoon, the sea, and the stunning landscape are simply unforgettable. For those who prefer to keep their feet on the ground, there's plenty to explore around the lagoon. Stroll along the beach, walk the scenic trails, or simply find a quiet spot to sit and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. The Blue Lagoon truly embodies the spirit of Oludeniz. It's a place where you can let go of your worries, immerse yourself in nature's beauty, and feel the stresses of the world melt away. It's a slice of paradise right here in Mugla, a destination that's guaranteed to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. The Blue Lagoon offers a perfect escape, a slice of paradise right here in Mugla. Coming in at number 2, we dive into the rich history of Mugla with a visit to the Bodrum Castle. Imagine stepping foot into a fortress that dates back to the 15th century, a time when knights roamed the land and battles were fought with swords and shields. This is Bodrum Castle, a majestic structure that has withstood the test of time, perched on the edge of the Aegean Sea. As you walk across the ancient stone bridge that leads into the castle, you can't help but feel a sense of awe at the grandeur of this imposing structure. The castle walls, made from the stones of the Mausoleum of Mausolus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, have seen countless sunrises and sunsets, each one painting a picture of a bygone era. Inside the castle, you'll find the Museum of Underwater Archaeology, home to artifacts recovered from shipwrecks that have lain beneath the waves for centuries. Each artifact tells a fascinating story, from ancient amphorae that carried wine across the seas, to intricate pieces of jewelry that once adorned nobles and royals. But the experience doesn't end there. As you ascend the castle's towers, you're treated to a stunning panorama of Bodrum and its turquoise waters. The view from the top is a sight to behold. A patchwork of white houses dotted with vibrant bougainvillea, the azure sea stretching out as far as the eye can see. It's a view that's worth every step of the climb. Take a moment to soak it all in, the history, the culture, and the breathtaking views. This is Bodrum Castle, a place where the past and the present intertwine, a place that bears witness to the rich tapestry of Mugla's history. Bodrum Castle is a testament to Mugla's rich history, a must-visit for every history enthusiast. Finally, at number 1, we invite you to indulge in the therapeutic mud baths of Dalyan. This is not just another spa day, but a unique journey into an age-old tradition deeply embedded in the local culture. Imagine submerging yourself in warm, velvety mud, feeling the earth embrace you as you slowly sink in. The sensation is otherworldly, like floating in a zero-gravity pool, but with the added benefit of nature's own skincare. The mineral-rich mud, renowned for its healing properties, is believed to rejuvenate the skin, boost circulation, and even alleviate aches and pains. As you lie in the open-air baths under the clear azure sky, the mud begins to dry, tightening on your skin, drawing out impurities and toxins. When it's time to rinse off in the nearby thermal waters, you'll feel the difference immediately. Your skin will feel softer, smoother, and revitalized. But the Dalyan mud baths offer more than physical benefits. This is a place for relaxation and tranquility, where the hustle and bustle of everyday life feels a world away. As you float in the mud, or soak in the thermal waters, you can't help but feel a deep sense of calm and peace. A visit to Dalyan's mud baths is an experience like no other, promising fun, relaxation, and rejuvenation. The memory of this unique encounter with nature will stay with you long after your vacation ends, beckoning you back to the beautiful region of Mugla. And that concludes our top 5 things to do in Mugla, a region that promises an extraordinary travel experience. From sailing away in the picturesque Marmaris, to stepping back in time at Kaunos, unwinding in Oludeniz's Blue Lagoon, exploring the majestic Bodrum Castle, and immersing in Dalyan's therapeutic mud baths, Mugla has something for everyone. Each of these activities offers a unique insight into the beauty and culture of this captivating region. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel and Tour and follow us on social media to keep exploring the world with us. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive.